That's right. Say hi, Millie. This is my wife, beautiful wife. Look at her. Look at her. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh, damn. That's right, guys. So we're right here. Little event. Oh, look at that.
Hey, you're gonna get ran
Oh, I'm getting ran over. I'm getting ran over. It's a nice one. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Move out of the way, motherfucker.
Yeah, he's telling me to move out the way. But yeah, guys, we're over here. It's pretty cool. There's a different kind of, just different kind of cars and stuff. That's pretty cool. Everybody's pulling up and stuff. Oh, you got a little Civic right there. Yeah. But yeah, guys, come through, come through. Come through. There's my daughter right there. Say what's up. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see right there, people are pulling up and stuff. Hey, what's up, guys? Check it out, check it out. We're over here. As you guys can see, we're over here with the BMWs right there. We're chilling. We're at this little event. All the cars are coming up right now. That's right. You guys can see. They're pulling up. But yeah, this is, what is it again, babe?
Steer fresh.
This is Steer Fresh event. But it looks like everybody's coming out right now. Let me flip this over. Uh-oh. That's right, guys, we're over here. Steer Fresh, everybody's pulling up. A bunch of different cars. Different types. We're gonna walk over there right now. As you guys can see, you got the Beamers over here. Beautiful. You got the beautiful M3 right there. Badass car. Got a bunch of them right here. There's Melly. Say hi, Melly. There's Savannah. What's up, Savvy?
Hi.
And we got the 535 right there. So we're gonna go over there right now and check it out. We're gonna go check out the cars and stuff. Huh?
Put the camera. Did he just call me Melly?
My wife, Melly. Say hi. Alright, so we're gonna go check it out, guys. Let's see what's going on real quick. Okay, okay. We got a bunch of different. Oh, we got the Mustangs over here.
Is it a Kia?
We got the Mustangs.
Is it a Kia?
Yeah, the Kias are pretty fast. We got the Mustangs right here. Got different kind of cars right now. Two valve, another two valve. They're pulling up, guys. Dark right now, but yeah. Right here, look at them lights. Beautiful lights right here. What is that, a Honda? There's a Honda right there. Okay, okay.
You know what he forgot right now?
Alright, oh, we got the...
What is this?
These are nice, these are nice. Okay. We got the truck. Look at that crazy truck right there. Alright, alright. Okay. Ooh. Oh, I remember that. You remember that one, babe? The green one? Yeah. That's right, that's right. Go check out the green one. That's the one. Oh, look at this one. This one's pretty cool right here. That's right. That's right. One of my favorites right here, guys. Right here, Baskin Robbins right there. You guys can see it. Little Baskin Robbins action. Okay. Got a little GTI right here. Got an Infinity. This lights look pretty cool. Dang, look at this Mustang. What is this? Ooh, look at that. Man, this thing is carbon fiber hood. Dang, it has carbon fiber panels, sights.
Yes.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at all that carbon fiber, guys, on this Mustang. This thing looks crazy. Sick. Look at that, man. The sides are carbon fiber. It's crazy, guys. Look at that.
I'm checking the back.
Carbon fiber. Woo.
That has like a glossy detail.
Oh, look at that. Look at that wing, guys. Carbon fiber wing. Wow.
Look, can you just...
This thing looks crazy. Look at that. Wow, this Mustang's sick.
That one's like the best Mustang of Mustangs. Of all the Mustangs.
Yeah, that's crazy.
It's a Nissan.
Got a little Nissan over there, guys. Everybody's pulling up. There's a Mustang 2 coming up. Look at that. Okay. Oh, a little Honda right here. Let's go way back right here. It's like a 80 something right here. I remember I used to have one of these. Yes, sir. Another little Honda right here. Oh wow, it's a little Del Sol, I think. It is? Yep. A little Del Sol action right here. Oh, I like that license plate right there. Check it out, guys.
The back.
That's a badass.
Is that back or no?
A little hatchback right here. I used to have one of those too, back in the day.
Everything is watered down.
That's right. I used to have one of those. Oh, here we go again. We got the BMW crew over here. Right there. I just parked next to him, you know. I don't know, they might kick me out. I don't know. They don't know me. I don't know them. You know? But there it is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at the daddy right there. Look at the daddy right there. Woo! She looks mean right there, boy. Next to the M3. We're gonna go back around. That one's nice too. Pretty dope. Okay, what do we got here? Lexus. I think it's a Lexus. Alright. They're probably just going to the market real quick, get a little, gonna go to Bonds, get some ice cream, I don't know, maybe.
Promoting bonds now, okay?
Look at this Mustang right here. This one's nice. Oh, look at that. Look at those lights. That's
They're
crazy.
around.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, goody.
This is nice. But I would have watched it. This color's pretty cool. Check it out. It's nice right there. There's crazy Camaro right here.
Little one.
Little one. That's a little hatchback right there. Little underglow action on the Camaro. Guys, there's the gang again. Beautiful cars. Right there. Oh man, Honda's got a new headlights.
That's the only thing I hear.
She looks mean. Sounds good. Woo, look at that hood. So bad? Damn, what a transformation, huh? What a transformation. These guys. Check it out. So, Thomas? Check it out, guys. More cars coming. That's a nice one. Woo, look at this one. Sick right there, boy. That's pretty sick right there. That's badass right there. ¿Se parquearon para allá, tío? ¿Por qué se movieron? Okay. Yeah, really? You got a little Lancer right here. That's beautiful. Okay. Oh, shit. Man, that shit sounds bad. Damn, that shit bump. Fucking truck bump. Hit him. Shit, there's another one, but they need to wash it. Ooh, this Honda looks nice. Hey, this is the new one. Remember we were gonna go with it? Remember to the dealer? This one's sick.
You see how low it is?
Yeah, that thing's on bag or something.
Wait, is it?
That's nice. Check it out, guys. This is the 5.0 right here. Oops, sorry.
It is on back. Turn left. Pinches Armenians, huh? Is that what they want? No, but the Dodge, he wouldn't.
Yeah. Cabrones.
Like right here. You guys are good footage.
Look at that. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. That's a Mach 1.
Wait, talk to him. You gotta talk to him.
That's sick. Isn't that sick? A little Toyota action? Wow. Oh, this one's nice. So what is this? Infinity? Oh yeah, baby. Oh, this one's nice. I like this one. It's a little Lexus. Look at the front.
That's low.
Yeah, this one's sick as fuck. That's nice. That's right. Oh, they're over there, babe. Ooh, come here, babe. flexing on everybody, man. Let's go there. Damn, guys. Look at that. Beautiful cars. Oh, that shit is new. Still has the sticker on it. This one too. We just got this one with the sticker on it. Look at that. Brand new cars. Mm. Wow. Te digo, quieran.